Hi guys, what's up? My name is Kartikey and today we are going to talk about how to create a custom brush shape in Photoshop. So without any delay, let's start the video.
So using a selection tool, let's draw a selection. You guys can draw anything that you want. I am drawing a star here. After drawing a selection, fill it with a black color using the paint bucket tool and make sure your foreground color is black. Now to make this shape a brush, go to menu, then edit, then define brush preset. A new window appears where the name is assigned for the custom brush. Now select OK to create the brush. Now the new brush is created. Brush can also be created from any image. Just create a selection around the subject. For this image I am using the object selection tool. Click on the select subject. Now Photoshop will automatically create a selection around the subject. Now repeat the same process and fill it with a black color. If the color is not applied in the whole selection, simply select the brush tool and color inside the selection. Now go to menu, then edit, then define brush preset. After you select OK button, the brush will be created. After creating a brush, you can change the color according to your need. To quickly access the brush palette, simply press F5 on your keyboard and type the name of the brush in the search box.
So this is how you create a custom brush shape in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video till here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing my channel for more videos, and do let me know in the comments how you like the video. So yeah, once again thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.